Hey guys, welcome back to Nice Junk, and today we're scrapping this KSM Division Omark Industries Morristown, New Jersey welder. I got this at the auction, dirt cheap, and let's see if it's got a copper or aluminum transformer in it, because we all know that there's going to be a transformer. So let's look inside. Well, that was pretty easy. I'm just going to take the front cover off and we'll see what's in there, and hopefully I don't forget to hit record again, which I probably will. And I did. So we're just cutting some wires off. Cut this panel off. This is actually stainless. It's a high quality rig. Maybe I shouldn't have scrapped it. That panel will be winter work. Right now I'm just trying to get some of these wires out of my way. It's hot as balls out here today. Sweating in places guys just shouldn't be sweating from. That's just an aluminum ground cable. All copper. All these are all copper. So I decided I'm going to cut the case so I can get at those bolts easier. This is only scrapping, and got to do it the quickest way we know how, if you want to make any money. Now we should be able to get at these bolts. These wires, we'll use the same wrench on those as I did the case. People wonder why I cut myself. More shred. Oh, of course. Wow, I just noticed something. Look at that. We got some copper bars. So now we're going to get these copper bars off. Now, we just got a couple things to take off, and we're done. I usually cut these with Bertha, but today I decided I'm going to do it by grinder for a change. Just wait. Well, look at that. The first row. Only the first row is copper. Then it's aluminum after that. Wow, that makes that easy. And the rest is aluminum transformer. Well, it's time for what it weighed, what it paid. And in winter work, oh, that's probably going to affect the scale. Sure did. So in winter work, we got 7 pounds, 7.3 ounces. Bipolar aluminum copper transformer, 12 pounds, 6.3 ounces. Number 1 copper, 12 ounces. Insulated copper wire, 4 pounds, 8 ounces. Now that tote is 1 pound, so that's 3 pounds, 8 ounces. And I got a question for you guys. These zip ties, do you have to take them off? I know I've been taking them off, but am I taking them off for no reason? Make sure to bleep bloop that in the comments. I'd really like to know what you guys do. And we're saving the best for last. Number 2, copper windings. Out of the bipolar aluminum copper transformer at a whopping 1.6 ounces. So that's all for this episode, Nice Junk. Hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if I enjoyed that little trick they played on me, but hey, at least we all know now. Yeah, I'm copper, I'm aluminum, I'm copper, I'm aluminum. I don't know. Hey, we'll come back next week. If you made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe. And that was some bipolar junk.